It's another profitable day, guys, because I caught these mad sells on crash 600 index where I got my entries at this point, and boom, price dropped massively just as predicted and expected. We got about 4 to 5 crash on the 1 minute time frame, adding over $500 profit on this trade by taking TB1 and TB2, expecting more sells to my TB3, which is at this point. And this trade signal was shared to my signal group. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on my 5 trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. So join my Telegram channel. The link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. So I was able to catch these mad sells on crisis on the index. How did I know price is going to sell? From my sell zone was my view and analysis on this index. So analyzing this index, spotting out this sell opportunity, I started my analysis from the daily time frame. We identified this double top formed at this point. This is more like a reversal pattern formation. I expect a long-term reversal on this index, being that this index has been on a bullish structure in the past days and weeks, created series of higher lows as we can see here, and series of higher highs. It's been the last highs formed on this current push. Price formed these highs before dropping down. As you can see here, price drops down, then came back to the same highs, failed to break past this high, indicating the bearish presence on this index and showing that the bulls are losing out of their buying power to push price above these previous highs. So we can see we got about 2 daily time frame rejection candles, candlestick wicks at these highs, this first one and the second one, indicating that our price could likely drop to the downside in the coming hours and days, at least price dropping to these lows. So this daily time frame structure gave me the bearish expectations on this index, being that the previous daily time frame candle closed in a bearish formation, so it's expected for today's candle to be a bearish candle as well. So I expected the sells on this index, and on the 4 time frame chart I saw this bearish momentum, which we had this series of bearish candles, about 3 to 4 bearish candles in a row, indicating that the bears has come into the market, having this zone which is more like an order block, though price faked a buy move before dropping to the downside. Then we now had this zone that price formed here, a historical level of resistance. In the past reactions, price sold resistance here, but on this break and retest, as this break retest, price pushed up support at the sells here, resistance basically. Price dropped resistance at this little bearish reaction before price pushed up as a support. Then we've got price break below this historical level of resistance, which was previously a level of support, because we got price give these buys on it. At least we had a full bullish day at this point before price dropped below this level with a couple of rejections after the retest of this area. So this was my sell point. I expected some bearish rejections from this zone on a lower time frame, which I proceeded to the 1 hour time frame. Identified this bearish structure. Price has created at least 2 lower highs and 2 lower lows on the 1 hour time frame charts, as we can see here. Lower highs at that point and lower lows. So my sells came in on price breaking and retesting this zone, which I expected the rejection from, at least price dropping to this next area, this next historical level, because this is a current level of support. Being that the market is selling currently, we could still get price buy from this level, give some bullish rejections on the approach of this level. Seeing the past reactions of got on this zone, price has sold and bought on this level, got the sales resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance. Then we had this break and retest, price pushed up support and the buy here support as well. Price could still get to this level and give some bullish rejections from it. So this is my overall target point on this index. So on the 15-minute time frame chart, you can see that price created lower highs at this point, a clear bearish structure, lower highs and lower lows, because I need to simplify my entries. We had lower lows here, lower lows at this point, then an order block formed here, a bearish order block. Bull crash indexes respect other blocks. So always do out work with other blocks when looking at future opportunities and potential entry points when it comes to catching the spikes and the crash on these indexes from a lower time frame view. So we got another block here. This is a drop base, drop fresh order block pattern. So all I did was to wait for price to move inside of this base. After I identified this order block base, let me clear this off so we can see this clearly. This is the base a drop, base drop, so price dropping inside of this base, pushing inside of this base. I stacked up the sells on a lower time frame, the 1 minute time frame. We can see how price sold. We had these first sells. After I got my first entries here, price crashed a little, pushed up out of the zone, which I still added about 2 sell entries. Then we had price crash again, which I expected more crash to follow up after this retracement here. So as price pushed up, I still added more sell entries, and boom, we had these smart sells. I asked my signal subscribers to close in profits. Then price retraced a little, had another crash, another profit secured, which more sales is still expected to this point. My intent TP, then possibly price selling to these lows, the level of 19,323 in the coming minutes. Basically, we can see the clear structure that the market was in. A bearish structure, lower highs identified on the 1 hour time frame, size of lower highs and size of lower lows, and on the 50 minutes time frame chart I spotted lower highs as well and lower lows, a clear bearish structure. So definitely the sells was expected, in addition to an order block formed on this historical level of resistance, which validated my entry point. So on price testing the order block base on the 15 minutes time frame charts, I stacked up the sells and boom, price crashed good. So good profit secured by selling crisis on the index, working with a simple price action market approach. And the trade signal was shared to my signal group to take advantage of the help regulated trade signals and setups I share from my Telegram community. Link is in this video description and it's pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. For more trade reviews like this and trade breakdowns, where to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel and follow this page. Thank you guys and do have a wonderful day.